Hey, Brian from Garage Mall. Today I have this premium beer balm. It's a 3-pack, so we're going to open it up and take a look and see how we use this. So that is one. So that's pretty cool. So let me read the directions on the back. It says, how to use balms. This product is best applied after a shower to a damp beard. Now, if you start growing your beard out like I've done, you get like these kind of like flyaway pieces all over the place. So this should definitely help like calm that down. 1, remove a dime-sized amount of balm from the tin. Rub the balm into your hands, emulsifying it. 3, rub the balm evenly into your beard. So what we're going to do is we're going to open it up. We're going to get ready. I have a little bit of spray water here since obviously I've been out of the shower for a while. We are going to just simulate me coming out of a shower with a moist beard. So that is your tin. So that's what it looks like. Pretty cool. Raise it up there so you can take a closer look at that. And let me spray my beard down. That's cold water. Okay. So it says take like a dime size, just a little bit. So we're just going to take like a fingertip worth, maybe a little bit more. It's probably going to take a little practice since for some I'm using it. So get it all over my hands. And then we just work it through the beard. It's got a good, clean, fresh scent to it as well. And I was looking for something that would definitely help calm this beard as it grows. So you can apply this after every shower. And yeah, that seemed to be enough. I just didn't put that much on, and it seemed like it really worked its way through. But yeah, feels good. Nice, refreshing smelling. So that is your beard balm. Actually, I'm going to put my glasses on so I can see in my camera as a mirror. Yeah, so absolutely. So help tame that beard. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal with your premium beard balm. Be safe out there.